Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, install the latest HappyCast app, and sign in so your settings sync. Once signed in, verify email and enable 2FA if you need added security. Next, grant microphone, camera, and local network permissions. This allows casting, audio capture, and device discovery. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on, because Discovery uses them. If you use a desktop, open the companion app and pair via the QR code. This establishes the first secure link. You now configure the broadcast. Pick resolution and frame rate based on upload speed, 720p at 30 fps for 5 Mbps, 1080p at 60 fps for 10 Mbps or more. Then select your source, full screen, an app window, or an external camera, and adjust the audio mix so voice and system sounds balance. Once done, add overlays and scenes. Templates speed things up, but customize brand elements for clarity. Make sure transitions are set to avoid jarring cuts during live switching. You're ready to go live, but preview first. Record a 30-second test to check audio levels, latency, and overlays. Once satisfied, start the live stream and monitor the status panel for CPU load, upload percentage, and dropped frames. These indicate performance issues. If you see problems, stop the stream, lower bitrate or resolution, or switch to a wired connection. Often a quick restart of the app or device clears stale network sockets. Finally, check logs and contact support with the session ID if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.